Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you might have heard the news. Former member of the Gideon Warriors, former leader of the Gideon Warriors, Kevin Tyndale, aka Richie Poo, aka Richie the Poo, get shot up. And last I heard, he's actually recovering. See, originally it was reported that him dead because it seemed like when he did at the back of it looked like a police van. He went into a state of shock and him eyes them wide open and now move, so it's like people that say Richie Poo dead. Turns out he actually survived, somebody else dead. Right, 3 of them get shot up. Man pan Yeng bike, trail him out to Swallowfield, right by Olo Road there, so shot them up. 1 man dead. One of the man them will get shot up because a taxi them are driving there, the taxi pull over. Taxi pull over, then come out and must say buy fruits. The bike man them draw down pan him and start shut them up. One of the man them will come out, as in one of the victims them. Him draw the taxi man out of the car, take the car and gone, left the taxi man. Tell me say Jamaica is not a Netflix movie or a Netflix series. Taxi man I carry them, 3 of them come out of the car. One man draw down pan them. One of the man them will get shot. Taxi man must say try, I guess. Tell him say, come man, come drive you to hospital. My youth decide say, you know what? You not carry me go to hospital. Me I take you out of this and left you here so and me I go hospital. Where some man then get left. But why is Richie Poo still being talked about to this day? To be honest, I never remember say Richie Poo that road. Because some of you may remember, Richie the Poo was sentenced to 90 years. 90 years. But him appeal and him eventually bust the case. I think he been out of jail from about 05. Right? And he come out in about 2018, but I completely forget about Richie Poo. Right? See, Richie Poo back in the days when Gideon Warriors did hot. Who remember Gideon Warriors? Joel and them boys them. After Joel and them they get catch, Richie Poo they start running. The amount of murders Richie Poo name attached to. Him and Gideon Warriors man them carry out some gruesome acts in them time. Still a road. Still a road. To the point enough people even forget about him. So when I start getting messages that Richie Poo dead, I was like, why in a prison? How them to stab him up? Poison him, or them kill him? Didn't occur to me, Richie Poo that road. Forget completely. Richie Poo that road. After all the murders attached to him name. But even though I say it look like Richie Poo luck run out, still have it cause as things stand, he's alive. 87s them never finish him off. Cause remember say 87s never really come to stick around, Them come fire bag a shot and then just cut gone. Right, that's them style. So Kevin Tyndale, 90 years, what's the case? How much murder? I get convicted properly for none of them. Still a road. You heard me say it many times. If they're not a witness, right, you know I get convicted, and if you get convicted, just one little technicality and you'd win appeal and come back a road, even when you're guilty. Even the people who love Richie Poo would laugh if you say Richie Poo innocent. Even the people who love Richie Poo, even the people who close to him would laugh if you say Richie Poo is not a gunman. He's not a murderer. But every time I remember Richie the Poo, I always have to go back to that ops I spoke about. Who remember that video there? I'm talking about Richie the Poo. The ops that captured Richie the Poo is one of the iconic JDF ops. Right? If you haven't seen the video, you can check it out. But there's a quick refresh. Richie Poo get hot, right? I end up running on one place in a rural St. James, near to John's Hall, Nobody can find Richie Poo. Quiet area, right? One of them places where, police now really go to them places that dig up for nothing because police is not a troubled area. I don't know about now, but back then it wasn't a troubled area. So Richie the Poo settle in, right? Start get used to the area, start get comfortable. The operation to catch Richie Poo was one of the examples then when JDF was show off. That's the only way we can describe it. JDF was showing off on that ops. And if you remember back then, JDF hands never as tie up as it is now. It was simply much easier to plan a ops, plan a bossy ops, and get the go ahead to carry it out. So, them I go for Richie Poo. Who was on the ops? Well, JDF Special Forces. Plus regular JDF. So, days before Richie Poo get captured, the Special Ops man them, the Black Element man them, were already in the community with Richie Poo. They had completely blended in with the population, which was easy for them because, let's just say, not every soldier in a JDF looked like a soldier. So it got to the point where Special Ops all I play ball with Richie Poo. Yes, Richie Poo the wanted man and play ball with JDF Special Forces and don't know. So them I watch him the whole time. I keep track of him. Know exactly where Richie Poo there. Confirmation of him. The day when time them go for him. And next to the JDF soldiers were travelling on helicopters on their way to go pick up Richie Poo. But remember, Special Ops man them, they with him a play ball. It become a normal routine now. So the helicopter head toward Richie Poo, and as soon as the Special Ops man them hear the sound of the helicopter, that was the cue to act. Man them hold on upon Richie Poo, helicopter swoop in, carry Richie Poo on the helicopter take off. Richie Poo was so stunned at how fast the operation took place. Nothing got a chance to run, not even run Richie Poo could have run. He was so surprised. Richie the Poo, wanted man Richie Poo, murder Richie Poo, feared Richie Poo, wet up in pants. The man then couldn't believe it. This is Richie the Poo. This is who all the fuss was about. Of course that was Richie the Poo because that's typical 87. It's easy when they gun in a year and the person who you go for is unarmed. And you can give them 20 rounds and chop off and all kind of things and easy. That's easy. But when your back is against the wall and you're under pressure, them time they see who is made of what. And Richie the Poo was a big disappointment. Man, them couldn't believe what Richie Poo was out. And if you make things worse, Richie Poo begged the man to kill him because he was convinced same I go dead. Which seemed like something where the Gideon Warriors leaders them known for because I see me Gerald and them. Gerald and them they put on a piece of balling when them hold and ban him. Police them couldn't believe. That was the fear Gerald and them balling and begging. I don't know who remember Gideon Warriors like. But at the time Gideon Warriors name Hot. And them have that name, Gideon Warriors, probably one of the toughest names any criminal organization in Jamaica ever have. Gideon Warriors. When the man go for Joel and them, when the man go for Richie the Poo, they brace themselves. It's going to be a hard fight because I go up against the man them lead Gideon Warriors. More like Gideon Girl Guides. Man then go out like snowflakes. But it's for them own good still because remember, how things you set up then and how things set up now. You see, the man them will go for Richie Poo. And then nobody we really want to play with. Well, a giant operation between police and JDF. Right, but the JDF did most of the heavy lifting for that Richie Poo Waps. Right, because even after them catch him, right, they end up carrying him go, I think it was 3 JR base in a mobile, right, before they end up carrying him go back at town. But you have to remember them time the reputation at JDF. Even the biggest baddest gunman, what they mean to say, the soldier them a come, man start fret. But this was the days before man start ball say sun too hot and bed not too comfortable for him, man a ball say him only get 2 dumpling when him normally mother give him 5. Right, man a ball say must stand up on him foot too long. Right, so it's a different era. Right. Obviously there's still exceptional soldiers in the JDF, but I think it's very obvious that there's been a lot of watering done go on. It look like that new uniform is too pretty. Might have to go switch back to the old uniform and switch back to the SLR too. The infamous L1A1 self-loading rifle. The bone broker. No, actually scrap that, you can't go back to the SLR. SLR caused too much problem. That round with the SLR used to fire, 7.62x51, be a problem that round cause. Any weather that catch up in your body, just be prepared to lose it. Some serious damage. But the problem with the SLR is, it was causing too much collateral damage, cause shoot one man, run all a fly 3 man gone, wheel on the road gonna shot somebody else. Right, you simply can't have something like that being used on the public streets. Right? Even though the 87s them afraid of it like puss. 87, if I one thing, if you can find an old 87, ask them both JDF and the SLR back in the day. Them afraid of it like puss. All the M16 and the M4 and the AK and all them things, they were your favorite 87s them brag about. Just ask them about the SLR. Many 87s have sleepless nights over the sound of that weapon. They not even get shot from it, just the sound alone. Traumatized 87s. But as I said, it was a smart decision. For the public's sake, it was a smart decision to get rid of the SLR. Right. But boy oh boy, what a rifle. What a rifle, the L1A1. Anyway, we can see how this Richie Poo thing turn out. As I say, it look like him gonna survive. But before me even finish the video, I want to go on with Rima. I want really go on with Rima because see, Rima is a place where go quiet. Right. Go quiet to the point you think to yourself, boy, Rima really turned it around. And then out of nowhere, Rima just get hot. So I really like for now I go on. I mean, right before I started making this video, they get a few messages say, shot fire on a Rima and, you know, innocent man lose them life and all kind of things. But I didn't get a chance to collect too much information, so I just went straight into making this video. So I imagine by this go live, I would have had a chance to link up with the PIA and find out what really I go on. But seeing as how Debbie Ninja just lost her life, but I remember in that video I said things might go on, so I'm gonna wait for you if it connected. Right. But look at how 2021 start off like it pick up exactly where 2020 left, cause people like us 2020 and I say 2020 a dirty year and go 2020 we tired of you, but we see the back of you. Well, mine no wish for the grass not always greener. 2021 a shape up like we could have to go start back link with 2020. Look like we have to go turn singing melody and I sing song to 2020. Whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. Yeah. Might have to go run back to 2020, but make us see what go on now. Make us see what go on, but I know a week into 2021. Pure madness. So, I just need to depend on the P's and Q's. P's and Q's. Speaking about P's, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.